Marhaba guys, so today pupunta kami ng Dubai ni Busing. Ipakita ko lang sa inyo saglit yung nabili ko sa Amazon. Ito cover siya sa DJI Osmo. It's more smaller siya. Nanginig yung ano ko, smaller siya kaysa yung cover niya, at saka more cover siya talaga na merong ganyan. Maliit lang siya kaysa yung real cover ng ano. And also bumili ako nito para sa, instead na yung ano ba yung tripod, mas gusto ko pa ito para safe pag gamitin ko. Halimbawa dyan, ayan siya, ganyan siya, hindi siya kasi pag ito lang yung ano lang, or lagyan ko ng tripod, so mas okay pa ako nito for me. So try natin today. So guys, nasa Dubai Mall kami, nag-stop over. Hindi ko alam, weekend today ba? Saturday. Hindi ko alam kung bakit siya pumunta dito. Hindi naman ako na pumunta ng Dubai Mall. Ayan siya. Sobrang busy. First time ko ata ng weekends dito, ng Dubai Mall. Friday ba? First time ko dito. So, sobrang busy. Dito kami banda sa may fountain. Ayan. Ayan. Ang laki ng ano nila. We're here sa hotel. Ayan yung dalawang magkaano. Ito ba? We're here again. Ano yung display nila? Christmas decoration nila. Ayan. Ayan. Here, elevator number 26. Floor 26. Huh? Yeah. How many floors? 31?
32.
32
is the top floor with the Regency Club.
Dito tayo guys. Ayan. Were we here before? I don't know.
It could have been.
Okay.
Yeah,
Possible.
Oh,
I'm not sure. So, yeah, very similar before.
you can check your videos.
Ayan, it's a big it's big room. Yeah. With food. Pero may bayad yan, is not included. Oh, TD for today. Oh, TD talaga. So yung ano natin. I think this is the last one we've been here. Maybe. Yeah, definitely set up. Maybe it's different room. There's was that here. Merong powder room. Ayan siya. Balik. My mirror. Yeah, I did. Yeah. Ayan yung bedroom. Ayan.
You say we look down on the pool.
The last one? Yeah, there's a pool.
Yeah.
I can't see.
We could be higher.
Higher, yeah. I think, yeah.
Okay or down a bit?
Down a little bit. So, yung ano dito, ito yung... That's the creek, right? That's the creek. I like that. Where? I like that was that like a small villa. Is it villa? They're not like big one.
So there's the Greek airport over there. That's the Racine Hospital over there with the red stripe there. There's the helipad, the two helipads, one's in concrete open area there.
Then, let's go to the bathroom. The walk-in closet. Empty. Yan. Ito talagang dito masyadong gamit ba? Siguro pag ilang days kayo, like longer, maano. Pero sana ito yung dito. Yung dito. Ako talaga nag-ano. And then, the bathroom. Ito yung ano niya, Parma ko. Before, ano bang gamit nila? Hindi ko alam. Vermont pala yung iniisip ko na ano. Yung lilabo. Ayun. Ang ganda ba kasi? Sobrang linis. Ang clean. Ayan na, with the room tour na kasi. Isang gabi na kasi tayo dito. So, video ko na lang lahat ng ganap namin dito. Ayan. Punta kaming upstairs sa club lounge. Meron pa coffee lang ba? Kasi mga 6 o'clock pa yung yung dinner. Excited ko kasi wala kami masyadong kain sa pag wala kami sa hotel ba. Diet kaunti charot. No diet today. No diet. So, what floor is the
32.
32.
I think you know which car's going to
It's dark in here, no? What you want? Chicken?
No, I want to see if it. I should have approved my card. I should see if I can
Ah,
select
oh.
the card.
I think the Thailand one is you need to have the
need the card,
card,
yeah.
yeah. 32. Here. Nakapunta lang kami dito one time. I think we just been here one time or 2 times. I don't know, I forgot. Ay, dito pala. Yeah. We don't have time. You're always busy, man. Shut the door. Enjoy my oras to 10 p.m. Oh. It's very quiet. Pang snacks lang nila dito. Kaunti lang. Coffee, more coffee. Kaunting. Hi. Oh, there's a cake. Ay, gusto ko ito. Gusto ko to. Cappuccino, please. Gusto ko to. So, ito yung view namin. Ayan. Parang kids thingy yan dyan. Children's thingy park. Sandali. Ang ingay nila. Snack cake. Gusto ko to ba? I really like this one. I really like that one. So, it's dinner time. Ka-joggers ako. Grabe, ang lamig. Dito sa sa room namin. Sobrang lamig. Yan. Galets. Dito kami sofa. Ang Christmas tree nila, ang ganda. Quiet, ha? Where do you want to stay? So, first course. Bossing. Second course namin ni Bossing. Ayan, lamb pala yan. Kasi kumain ako ng kaunti. Pero hindi ako kumakain ng lamb. Yan kay Bossing. Sweet and sour, akin, chicken. Dessert. That cup for the black label. Take away.
Red label.
Oh, red label. Wala silang black label pala dito. Good morning, guys. So, ayan, nag-base na tayo for breakfast. Naligo na din kami ni Busing. Maaga kami nagising ba? Maaga kasi kami natulog. So, yan ang OTP natin. Ito yung Ted Baker na t-shirt. Ayan. Di ba suot natin kapon yung orange? Ngayon is yung dark blue naman. Tsaka, joggers. Kasi malamig doon. Magdala nga ako ng hoodie kasi Malamig. So, mag-good morning tayo sa Dubai. Good morning, Dubai. Ayan. Yung train. Lalay. Baka nag-stop pa. Ayun. Ayan yung train. Ewan ko kung makita nyo. Kita ata, yeah. Ayan. So, may nabili ako sa Hollister. Pero, hindi ko muna siya i-haul. Nung nagpunta tayo ng Dubai Mall kahapon ba? Wala talaga akong balak. Pero, nung nakita ko yun, napabili ko. So, OOTD ni Pusing for today's video. Sige na ay. Sofra again. Breakfast guys. Ang tagal. Second course. Second course talaga. So guys, mag-check out na tayo. And ayan yung OOTD natin. Ayan siya. Saglit lang tayo dito. So, ayan. Nantay ko lang si Bossing. Naka-ready na kami. Nasa CR lang siya. Sabi ng lalaki or tagalinis kung mag-check out na ba kami. Hindi ba obvious? Obvious naman siguro. Dala namin yung camera. Long ladies. Ay, may kasabay tayo. Can't see anything. And we're back. Dubai outlet naman. Did you know there's another Dubai outlet village? That's more the outlet.
What's the difference?
We're here again. Ayan. Madami pa rin close, oy. Alam na kung saan pupunta. I wanna go to SGP. So, andito kami sa food court, guys. Merong restaurant dito na Tom Yum. It's a Thai food. So, di ba, galing lang tayong Thailand. Thai food agad. Ayan siya. Sana kami? Punta sana kami ng McDonald's kasi yung points ba. Pero, namin, pagdaan namin dito. Ha? Oh. The points. So dito na lang. Sabi ko dito na lang tayo, balik tayong Thailand. Let's go back to Thailand. Sticky pudding is later. Sticky pudding, no? Mango sticky rice. Meron sila. Malaki palang food court dito. So yan yung una. Hindi ko alam kung ano yan. Rice, basta rice siya. Ayan na yung chicken pad thai. Dalawa lang yung order namin. Hoy, in fairness, masarap pagkain nila. Masarap. Gusto ko. I wonder where they're available. In Abu Dhabi ba? Ito na yung mango sticky rice. Ayan siya, guys. Kumakain pa si Busing, in-order ko na ito. Naubos na yan. So, tapos na kami, guys, dito sa Dubai Outlet Mall. How many hours we stayed here? We're here for maybe 3 hours? I think.
Yeah.
I think 3.
Closer to 4.
Oh, closer to 4. So, we're exiting the... This is scary exit and entrance eye. Exit. So, see you sa bahay na lang siguro.